In Sparx Enterprise Architect, the Code Analyzer feature enables the user to mine the code in database. Users can compile their code base into a code miner repository. Now, let us see a walkthrough on creating a local code miner database. Create a code miner database by clicking on Create Database. Define the directory tree where the code is located. Select the location and name for creating the database. Select the language and file extensions supported. Hit compile to use this directory in the code miner. Once the database is created, you can connect using Browse Database option. As you can see, the database is connected. Now you can run your query in the query pane to mine data from the database. Let us run a find query for a variable form1 in the database. Hit the execute button. The results will be displayed on the line address panel. Click on the result to open the source codes line in the source panel. To use this database as a cloud-based repository for group access. Sparx Enterprise Architect 16, enhanced with a new feature, Sparx Intel service. Let us see the setup process for the Sparx Intel service. Large code base usually involves large team. The Codebase Intel service allows multiple EA clients to access and query the same info from many different software domains and frameworks. The Sparx System Intel service can be installed on a server as a Windows service or run as a standalone process. Let us run this locally as a standalone process. Open the configuration file through the Execute ribbon. Create a new configuration file or select if one already created. Provide the name, port, and the location of the database in the configuration file. Open command prompt as administrator. Now let us connect the code analyzer to Sparx Intel service. Change the directory to the EA. Run the Sparx Intel service.exe with the command. As you can see, the service is enabled. Now let us connect the Sparx Intel service in the code analyzer. Click on Connect to Service option and provide the configured port. You will be provided with the available databases in the connection. Now you can execute the queries. As you can see, the client connection and actions are reflected in the Sparx Intel service. This enhanced feature makes much more easier for multiple users to access and query the same info from many different software domains. For more information, contact us on info@sparxsystems.in or sales@sparxsystems.in.